Hey, what's up, guys? This is Keon over here. I know you guys are expecting Brian to be on to do the introduction, but this time we're doing things a little bit different. So, what we're doing today is, as you can see on the picture, we will be fixing my ABS sensor, wheel sensor. Been giving me problems since I got the car. It's been off for a while, and when you live in this New England weather with rear-wheel drive, I think you kind of need those sensors for the snow. Yeah, snow season's coming up, so might as well get it over with so I don't bang up Lefty over here. But yeah, so let's get started. So we already did the first two steps, which was obviously lift the car up and take the wheel off, which I already done. If you guys never seen that before, never done it before, you can look at Brian's previous videos. He does them a lot of time. So now what we're doing is we're taking the ABS wheel sensor off, which would be located over here on the hub, which is on the back down here. So there's a bolt right here. So it's a 10 millimeter, which you'll need for here, and then there's another 10 millimeter. You're gonna use another 10 millimeter over here on this bolt, and then on the bracket up here, you're gonna use another 10 millimeter, and then you would have to take off the splash guard over here to get to where you have to plug or unplug. In this case, we're unplug the sensor, and then basically do everything in reverse when we get ready to put the new one in. I already had screwed this one off, so I'm gonna do the other ones. We took all the screws off, and then we followed where the wire goes. It goes to a connector down up there. So it's this connects up here, guys. And then you would unplug this one, take the sensor off, and then you would we're gonna put in a new one.
All right, so now I'm gonna take over, and so we pretty much took all those bolts out. Now we're taking off the splash guard because it's kind of hard to get to without taking it off. There's like a push pin right there, push pin up here. There's one that goes right here, and then there's two right where Keon's at right now on the bottom. And then this should be able to come out, and we got full access to the connector. All right, so y'all see now the splash guard's open, and those are the sensors right there. See that? There's the old one right here. Took that out. Here's a new one. They're the same. This is what the connector looks like. Basically, you know, you push it and then take it out. All right, and there it is. Boom, all in. So just a quick recap. The connector is over there. It's the top one. And then there's that bolt. There's that bolt right there. And then the speed sensor right there with the bolt. And then also down here, it has like these two rubber like O-rings on it. Make sure to have those on there. And yeah, now we're just gonna put back the splash guard and should be all set. All right, let's see if it came off. We might have to drive it, but. All right, y'all, so everything turned out great. That sensor worked, but Keon thought it was the driver's front sensor we had to replace, but it's actually the left rear, the driver's rear sensor we had to replace. And yeah, so now he's taking it back apart, and we're gonna look at the back one. The front one doesn't probably fit the back, so he's gonna have to order that one. But I put it like on the scanner and the OBD2, and I scanned it, and the left rear came up. He was pretty sure it was the driver's front, but I double checked it. I should have double checked it earlier, like at the very beginning with the scanner, just to double check. But I mean, I guess you live and learn. So yeah, for the front sensor, that's how you do the front sensor. I'll still post this video for the front because it's still good for the front sensor. Keon, you learn anything? Hey, at least you know how to replace the front one if you need to now. Fair to say?
Yeah.